guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm happy you're with us. This week we have a very special announcement. As you can see by the title of this one, we're announcing a giveaway. Recently guys, we have hit 500 subscribers and I am super excited about that. I want to thank all of you guys for subscribing to the channel that are subscribed and commenting. I love reading the comments, so I hope to keep bringing you this type of content, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm not gonna hold out too long on this one. I'm going to get into the details right now on the giveaway. But first, we have a new mod, cosmetic mod for the Mustang. Let's go check that out. Ooh, a big box. What is it? It is something that came from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description, obviously, if you guys want what's in this box. But let's open it up. Wow, it is light. Let's open it up. I got my information on one side. Actually, I know what's in here, guys. I already opened it. Here it is. Okay, I know it doesn't look like much here, but what is this? Well, it's two little carbon fiber covers for the center section of the shifter. Let me give you a closer look. So these are what they look like. They're like a carbon fiber trim piece here, and it's molded to kind of go around. There's just some 3M adhesive on the back here. And since I have the carbon fiber around the cup holders, I figured, well, this is a cheap one. Let's just see how it looks. And if it doesn't look good, we can always take it off. All right, let's just go put these things on. This should be like a 5-minute or less kind of job. So it's gonna be a pretty simple one, guys. But I wanted to show you what it might look like, just in case you're interested. So getting in the car right now. Got all those perfect angles here, all around, making you guys vomit. Hopefully not. All right, let me show you. I cleaned this up already, so let's get started. All right, so this is where it goes. You can see I'll just kind of lay one in there like that and like this. And let's try to get a shot of that here. You know what? It looks like they line up pretty good for the most part. It's not perfect. Not perfect, I don't think, but they're cheap. So, something like that. I'm going to stick these things on because there's not going to be much to it. And then I'll come back to here. They do give you a little alcohol wipe to kind of clean this off. I've already cleaned this off and I feel comfortable without using it. There was a couple reviews that were saying that they took the alcohol wipe over their prendes and wiped off the lettering. So I don't want to be that guy. So I'm gonna skip it. We're gonna put these on without it. And with any luck, they look okay. Well guys, that was super fast. I mean, what else do you expect for just, you know, stick on carbon fiber bits or carbon fiber lookalike? It's kind of tough to capture with the lighting here, but it has actually a really nice gloss over it. And I'm trying to see if I can get you a good shot because it seems like it's kind of messing with the camera a little bit. But it has a really nice gloss over it. And yeah, it went on super easy, obviously, but just kind of something to tie in with this little, you know, faux carbon fiber piece I have here, covering up the little chrome trim issue that I had. Go check that out in another video. We did this piece as well. Got my garbage I gotta get out of here too. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. We'll rock it. If it doesn't, you know, or over time, if it doesn't hold up, I will rip it off. If you guys are curious of where to get this, I'll put the link for it down in the description below. So make sure to take a look for that if you're interested. All right, sunglasses on. That is done. So next, moving on to an update for the channel. What you guys can expect to see on the EcoBoost coming up in the next couple of weeks. So in a couple previous videos, or at least one previous video, I was talking to you guys or asking you guys, what mod should we do next? And so I kind of read through the responses there and came up with a couple things that I think we're gonna do. One for sure is that we're getting lowering springs for the Mustang, and that's coming soon. I have them on order right now. They should be coming in next week. and we will pop those things on. So we're not gonna do a really aggressive drop on the car. It's gonna be about 1 inch all the way around. I just wanna kind of take up some of the tire gap here that we got, and we got a lot of it. So that is gonna be the next thing we do, and I'm doing this strategically because, well, I'll tell you in a sec. So the next thing is gonna be painting the brake calipers. We're gonna paint them orange. I'm gonna do orange because I haven't seen too many of this color Mustang with orange calipers. There's been a couple. I think a lot of folks do red, which I think red also looks good, but I wanna do something a little different. So we're gonna do orange painted calipers. And with the orange calipers, we can't have the 2.3T badging with the red accents here. We're gonna have to paint that orange as well. So we're gonna do the T in orange, we're gonna do the period in orange, and that should kind of help bring it together. And the last thing then is that I'm gonna experiment with changing the color of these rims to black. They're black silver now, obviously, but I've always been a sucker for black rims, and I know everyone does them on Mustangs, but I'm gonna try it out. And what I mean by trying it out, I'm not gonna paint them. We're gonna use hyper dip. And if you guys haven't heard of that, that is a plasti dip kind of version of, I guess it's a version of plasti dip, kind of an evolved version. It should be a lot better. I've had a lot of success in the past with plasti dip, so I think it'll be a good way to see if we like the wheels all black or not. But that's what's coming up. So there's a lot of cool changes gonna be happening in the Mustang. After that, whew, we always got stuff to do. We still gotta get a Pro Tune from Ryan at PD Tuning. And then I wanna do something with the splitter here, put a lip here and I think a GT500 or GT350 style spoiler. We gotta do that as well. So tons of stuff happening on the channel in the next couple weeks here. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you do so you don't miss it. But let's get into those giveaway details and how you can win this and what you're gonna be winning. So the giveaway details are, I'm gonna be giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. It's not a whole lot, I know, but 500 subscribers, $50 gift card. Can't do 500. I'm not made of money here, guys. I'm not made of money. How to get in on the giveaway? All you gotta do is be a subscriber. For one, there's 3 things here. First, you gotta be a subscriber. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you click down below and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Make sure you get in on this. Hit the subscribe button down below. Secondly, you gotta like the video. So make sure to go like this one. If you like my other ones, feel free to give them a like. That helps me out a lot. And then the last thing is just leave a comment down below and do -500. So whatever your comment is, and then a -500, and that's gonna be able to get you in on this $50 Amazon gift card. We're gonna let it run for 1 week. So this video is uploaded on a Saturday. I'm gonna let it run all week long, and I'm gonna announce the winner next week, Saturday. So any comments up till like Friday night at midnight, I will use. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So guys, that's the giveaway, $50 Amazon gift card. I know it's not a ton, but we're a small channel, and that just means all the better luck for you to win. So make sure to get in on this, and I'm interested to read your comments. It can be any comment you want, I don't care. I hope they're nice, but it doesn't have to be, I guess. But without further ado, that is the last little update I have for you on this one. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you get in on this giveaway. And with all that being said, we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.